Hello everyone, it's already day 10 for the Korean challenge. So my task today is to read and pronounce the phrase with different intonations. Let's try it. So the phrase is 방탄소년단. Let's try it. 방탄소년단. 방탄소년단. 방탄소년단, 방탄소년단, 방탄소년단. The next word is 안녕하세요. Let's do it. 안녕하세요. 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 Thank you.